Hey y'all, I wanted to quickly share some ideas for some DIYs for the holidays. Um, I love the idea of having given experiences for Christmas, and I love the idea of giving consumables for Christmas, and this covers both of those. So this is where you can go to doterra.com, and there's a search window and I typed in bath salts. You can type in, they have tons of things, body butters. These are all recipes that are tested and just people will love them as gifts. So I typed in bath salts and I got several recipes here. This first one is lavender eucalyptus bath salts. And super easy. The recipe is it takes 5 minutes to make this. It's a cup of Epsom salt, a quarter cup of coconut oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, and 6 drops of eucalyptus oil. You mix those up, and you can put them in a tiny jelly jar. This is a bigger jelly jar, but you can get these like anywhere, like your local Walmart or wherever. Get these cute little jelly jars, or get the ones with the little lids that close. You can decorate these up. You can put ribbon or twine around them and just decorate them real cute. And they make awesome gifts. And you can use any of your favorite essential oils. You can use Adaptive would be an amazing one. Like this one was lavender and eucalyptus. Lavender is good on its own. And Balance is going to be amazing. So those are great ideas. There's another one. I love this one. It's super cute. You can do the same thing, but you get these little clear ornament bulbs and you fill them up with the bath salts. And that's a super cute gift. Another idea that you can find on doterra.com. Did I say, I don't know if I said, after you do the search, you click on blog, and the blog posts are where all the DIYs will be found, and you can just go crazy in there. There's tons of DIYs that they have posted. But these are shower melts. So if you know people who don't, do baths and don't need the bath salts, you can do the shower melts. And these are super easy. It's just baking soda and essential oil, and 15 to 20 drops, and a quarter cup of water. You mix them up and you put them in silicone molds. Go to your favorite craft store or go like Amazon, anywhere online. You can get these and get them shipped, quickly, and make these little projects. And then you just package them up, and they can just put them in the back of their shower. And the essential oil is just relaxing ones to wake them up. Let's get that experience. The other one is the bath bombs. I haven't made these yet. I got the things to make them, and I just haven't yet. Those are really cool. They're super popular, and that's baking soda, citric acid, your 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. This one calls for witch hazel, and you need your silicone mold or your metal mold. I guess they're stainless steel, and you can add coloring. The ones that I saw in here, they suggested using mica. That's a good idea because it's not going to stain anything, and it's natural. And it'll just, if you want to add a little collar, and you can wrap those up in cellophane, put little ribbons or twine around them. I have these are the ones I got from Amazon. These are stainless steel, and it's a set of 2. So you just pack the product in there, and then you put it together and you let it set, I think for 30 minutes. Let it pack real good and set, and then you carefully take them out and package them up, and then they'll drop them in their hot bath, and it'll just fizz up and release all the oils, and they'll get like a relaxing little spa treatment. So that's an awesome gift. I love that. This is another one. I like this idea too. You could get a container like this, at like the dollar store or anywhere, and like for like something, if you want a bigger gift, give them like a whole little set of the the bath bombs. And you can also use those in the shower too. If they can still use those and just put them in the back of the shower. And if you want to get more complicated, there's like, more expensive ones. I like the easy ones. But they have this one I thought was cute. It's like the gingerbread. You can do the gingerbread scrub or the gingerbread. My printer cut it off, but this is like a little gingerbread bath bomb. And you'd probably be a little trickier to getting to hold together and package him up carefully. But this one has like brown sugar and fractionated coconut oil. That was another thing I was going to say to you with the bath salts. Some of the recipes you can pick, add fractionated coconut oil or coconut oil to get extra moisturizers in there, or you can just do the Epsom salts and the essential oils. And you can also, if you saw some of these, like they have you can put the little that gets flowers or the little lavender flowers or different kinds of flowers or herbs and sprinkle in there and make them extra cute. I think everybody knows Epsom salt, so you can just get that about anywhere too. And like the citric acid that you would need for the bath bombs, you can get that, I know, on Amazon or like I'm sure any craft supply store. So I just thought those are super fun. And me and Sis are going to try to do those when we have time. And I know she's going to be all about it. If you have like little kiddos that like to do that kind of thing, they can make that like a little business and like earn some extra money around the holidays or like anytime, because those bath bombs, they're people love those anytime as gifts. So that is what I have for you guys. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and thanks for joining our gifting event.